Activate is AG's health and wellbeing program where we promote the importance of people looking after their physical health, whether it's exercise, whether it's diet, whether it's mental health, personal development. It's something that I think our people have come to appreciate and relate to, and appreciate the fact that the business is investing in these kind of things, hopefully with a view to them improving their own health well-being.
A happy workforce is a productive workforce, and Activate has really improved the mental and physical well-being of all our employees, from simple things like guidance on exercise, eating, and actual tangibles like bringing the proper food into the business and giving it to people. One of the things that I've seen recently is just the percentage of women that are in our company. It's currently 22%, and I know that in our industry we struggle to attract women into the industry, and that's a very positive thing for the company to have such a high percentage of women in the company.
So Women in Business we just recently partnered with, so it provides free training courses for our staff, but also leadership events and promotional activities with our staff that they can avail of. They cover a whole range of topics, from women working with menopause, or women that are pregnant who have been on maternity leave and are coming back to work, and dealing with some women might have a confidence issue when they come back from work after being off maternity leave, and kind of supporting women in those situations. It's given the females the tools to deal with situations and empower them in leadership and conflict management. In the current world that we all live in, mental health is a big thing for everybody, whether it's in work or outside work. I think at AG over the years we've had a lot of different training, leadership courses. We've had the opportunity to learn more about mental health, learn more about emotional intelligence, and learn more about how different people react to different situations. I think that's very important in all industries and in the world in general. Like it's a time that we're moving. It would be quite concerning for me sometimes as a manager, making sure that my team is in a good place mentally and physically.
One of the most effective things is a focus on nutrition and the need for the workforce to really look at what they're eating. I think it's fair to say that the people in Five Milltown AG realise that if they eat the right food, they're going to have the fuel their body and have the energy levels they need. And that's not just during the working day. As we've said, a lot of them are now taking part in activities outside of work, and even during work on their rest periods, they're getting their steps up to make sure that their physical fitness is a lot better.
Well, it keeps everyone kind of more active and maybe more motivated as well, Get you out and about and get you fit and hopefully lose a bit of weight.
We done a local Aucher 5k. It was the first time doing a 5k and actually shocked myself, so it hit big time, but yeah, it keeps you motivated and just throughout.
It's evolving all the time, so every week we would live it, or every month we would plan activities, so it's not just a word, it's something that we live all the time, we want to promote all the time, and our staff know Activate and know whenever we run an activity, Activate is one of our hashtags that we would promote.
One of the other Activate promotions was Time to Talk, which particularly hones in on our male colleagues. We all know that men don't talk enough. They tend to keep things inside, and that's not good. So I particularly like that initiative. And the good thing is, when I'm going around the yard and talking to my people, I will hone in on that and back up that particular initiative. And it just creates a situation where we can talk.
Letting people know it's okay to take time out, say 15 minutes or 20 minutes a day, and sit down and talk. Having the facilities in the company that we can go and sit in a nice environment, having a nice kitchen area that we can go and make a cup of tea and sit down and have time out is also one of the things I would say. It might look like a small thing, but it means a lot to people.
Because of the visual representation and communication that we have in those areas, it gives people really time to think about those important aspects of safety.
We are a family business, and there's a lot of people in here with families of all ages. Some people have young children, but some people that are looking after older elderly parents or relations. It's not just about young people and children. And the flexibility that the company offers to the staff, how we have opportunities to talk about it and making our working duties fit around our working lives. It definitely is attraction to a lot of us. Many of us that are working here, we appreciate that, and it makes us happy.
I know that the people that work here are happy, and the Activate programme through mental and physical wellbeing initiatives has really helped every aspect of work here, but in particular our attendance is excellent. And in 2023 the sickness in the yard was at a 1.64%, which is a very, very low percentage.
People spend so much of their lives working for this business. I think it's only right that we should try to create the right environment for their well-being to be improved. I think everybody benefits, not only the people working for us, but their families as well. And the business will benefit clearly as well, because people are able to show up better, perform better. Everybody wins.